Teased Shaggy's collaborative effort Early in the Morning, which features Dutch dance pop trio Crisscross Amsterdam and English singer Conor Maynard, has gone platinum. Shaggy shared the news on Instagram in this video, where he unveiled the gold certification plaque for the track and indicated that the platinum plaque was to be delivered soon.
Gold award for Early in the Morning, and Crisscross Amsterdam and myself and Conor Maynard. Big up. Here we go. Another one. And this is a gold award. It's actually platinum. So I'm waiting for the platinum one to come on.
Early in the Morning samples Jimmy Cliff's mega hit song Reggae Nights. This track was released by Cliff back in 1983 and was the biggest hit song from his The Power and the Glory album. The new certification comes on the heels of the Brit Certified Silver accreditation of Shaggy's I Need Your Love. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.